Hello and welcome to Evans Musomi Insights. We're covering building family unity with core values. The TL didn't listen for this post is this year, we're defining our family motto and core values with input from our kids. Check out our process and tips for building family unity. Building a foundation for your kids isn't just about Bible devotions and prayer. It's also about creating unity and setting a direction for your family that you can all rally around. In other words, what are the things that matter most to you as a family? This year, we're focusing on defining a family motto, mission, and core values. It's our way of making sure we're all heading in the same direction. Even though our kids are young, I think it's important for them to understand what we stand for as a family, and they love being part of the process. Here's what we've done. Number one, family survey time. I created a quick survey using Google Forms because why not make it techie? I asked the kids what they thought we value as a family, what they love most about us, and whether they feel loved and happy. The results were eye opening. Some things I didn't expect, and others confirmed what we're doing right. Number two, reflect and adjust. This simple exercise helped me and my wife see where we need to adjust and how we can do better at communicating love and value to our kids. Plus, it helps us refine our family values. Why family values matter. Deuteronomy chapter 6, verse 6 to 7, ERV version says, always remember these commands that I give you today. Be sure to teach them to your children. Talk about these commands when you sit in your house and when you walk on the road. Talk about them when you lie down and when you get up. If we want our kids to know and live by godly values or even core values, we need to model and talk about them all year long. It's not a one time thing, it's a daily conversation. Action step. Want to create a united, value driven family this year? Try creating a simple survey like I did for your kids. Add fun with emoji scales and heart ratings. Get their feedback on what they love and what matters to them. It's a fun way to start meaningful conversations. Want more on parenting, finances, and tech for growth? Subscribe for insights on raising responsible kids, personal finance, and using tech for growth. I'm also working on a book about 11 essential skills for raising responsible, capable kids. Follow along for updates or fill in the form on the site to get an opportunity for early access when it's ready. Let's grow together. Until next time, stay blessed by the best, grow the good.